Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be fixing up this iPhone 3GS running iOS 5.0.1. Taking a closer look at this iPhone, you can see the power button clicks, but it isn't registered, and the housing has lost its shine and is fairly scratched up. Here's the donor housing I will be using to fix this phone up. It has a new power button and is in good shape. It is now time to repair it. First, I will shut down the iPhone. Now that it's shut down, I can then remove the two bottom Phillips screws securing the display in place. With those removed, I can insert a thin metal pry tool in between the gap and pry up the display. With the display now up, I can disconnect the three screen cables. It is now time to unscrew the logic board. There are 8 screws in total, 7 for the board and 1 for the camera. The screws all look the same length, but it's still better to be safe than sorry and remember where they came from. Now all that's left is the remaining cables and to eject the SIM card tray, and the screw I forgot in the bottom right corner. Taking a second look at the housing, you can see that it's in very good condition. It is now time to install the board. I will position the top in place first and move all the cables out of the way so the rest of the board can seat in. I will then install the SIM card tray to make sure the board stays in place. I can now install all 7 screws holding in the logic board. And let's not forget the camera screw. I can then connect the remaining connectors and the board is fully installed. Finally, it's now time to connect the screen up with its 3 screen connectors. With the screen connected, I can then lay it down and clamp it in place and power it on. And to finish the repair, install the 2 bottom Phillips screws. It's now time for a quick test. Jumping into Settings, General, and About, you can see it's a 16 gig on 5.0.1, and the power button now functions properly. And we can finally disable Assistive Touch. Thanks for watching.